Okay guys, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike. Today is day 14 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. 2 weeks already, I can't believe it. We're almost there, makes me sad. But today I have a really fun sequence planned for you guys today. We're gonna do a lot of new exercise that we haven't done yet. And today our mantra is, I am strong. I am strong. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so great job making it to 2 weeks. You can give yourself a pat on the back right now before we begin. We're going to start off with some HIIT salutations. So coming to the top of the mat, bringing feet together or hip width distance apart. We're going to do the HIIT salutation ones, so the ones that are more arm focused. Coming into a mountain pose, repeating to yourself or out loud the mantra, I am strong. I am strong. So maybe by now you might start to be feeling stronger from all the exercises that we have been doing. And that feeling itself is just so rewarding. After a while, your hard work's paying off. And if you're not, well, it'll come. Just be patient. Creating the body that you want takes time. It's all about the discipline and committing yourself to making it happen. So once you have this mantra in your mind, we'll begin by inhaling, bringing the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Give me 5 push-ups. Inhale, baby cobra or up dog. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog and give me 5 down dog push-ups. Come back to down dog, take a breath. I am strong, feel the strength in your body. So you might remember these being a lot harder 2 weeks ago than they are now. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back, 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Give me 5 down dog push-ups. Come back to down dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Let's do one more round. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, 5 push-ups. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog, 5 down dog push-ups. Come back to down dog, breathe. I am strong. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. From here, we're going to do 20 squat to squat jumps. So basically it's going to look like It's going to be squat, jump, squat. So squat, jump, squat, squat, jump, squat. Again, be mindful of the guy downstairs. We're going to do 20 in total. So let's begin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 10 more. $17, $18, $19, $20. Great work. From here, we're going to do some side standing crunches. So we haven't done these before, but basically we're going to come to the center of our mat. We're going to extend our right leg about 2 or 3 feet to the right of our left foot. We're going to bring our arms to the left side, and we're just going to do a crunch with our right knee. So you really want to squeeze your abs here. Okay, so we're going to do 15 per side. So when you're ready, let's begin with the right leg. That's 10, 5 more. Let's go to the other side. Stepping your left foot out to the left, bringing your arms overhead, reaching over towards the right. Let's begin. 15. Really squeeze those abs. That's 10, 5 more. Last one. From here, let's come to the back of our mat. We're going to do 20 lunges. So we're just going to step forward and then back and switch legs. Okay, so let's begin with our right foot. Step it back, left foot. That's 2. That's 10 more. Three more. Okay, from here, let's inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, walk the hands out to plank. And we're gonna do 10 hand walkers. Walk it back to your feet. So that's 1. Walk it back out to plank. Walk it back. That's 2. Let's do 8 more. Five more. Two more.
One more. And here, let's just stay in high plank for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower down onto your belly. From here, we're going to do some Superman crunches. So we're going to extend our legs out long and our arms out long. From here, we're just going to move the upper body. So we're going to crunch up just the upper body. So we're not going to move the lower body. So we're going to do 15 crunches just with our upper body. So when you're ready, let's begin. Five more. Release back down. So now we're going to do the same thing just with our lower half. So it might feel a little bit weird at first, but we're just going to crunch our lower half. So it's almost like little pulses with our legs. So we're going to do 15 of these. So let's begin. Three more. Okay, so from here we're going to do 20 full Superman crunches. So we're going to do both the upper half and the lower half of the body. So it looks like. Okay, so when you're ready, let's begin. Let's do 20. Two more. Lower down. From here, let's rise back up into a high plank. Hold for another 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. From here, let's make our way into a side plank, starting with our right side. So we're going to lift the hips up. So we're resting on our foot and our right forearm. From here, let's do 15 side plank dips, working the obliques, bringing your right hip down to the mat, and then coming up. So let's do 15. Five more. So you're really crunching the left obliques. 2, 1. Switch it over to the other side. Jump right into them right away. 15. 5 more. Last one. Let's come back to high plank again. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. It's like take a quick rest in a child's pose. Knees as wide as the mat. Coming back to our breath. Take a water break if you need it. We're almost done. From here, we're going to make our way onto our backs. So we're going to take an inclined plane, which is a nice isometric yoga pose. So coming to a seat on our bums, sitting up straight, legs extended out long in front of you. We're going to point the toes and bring our hands, our fingers underneath our shoulders, and we're gonna simply lift the hips up. So it's kind of like a reverse plank. We're gonna hold here for 10 breaths. Your next exhale, slowly release back down. And from here, let's bend our left knee, bringing the sole of the left foot to the mat. We're gonna cross our right foot over our left thigh. So we're gonna come into a reverse pigeon. Keeping our right foot flexed, we're gonna do reverse pigeon crunches. So we're working the left glute here. So we're gonna lift the hips up and then crunch back in. Okay, so we're gonna do 20 of these. Ten more. Definitely feel a nice little burn in the triceps as well. 5 more. Last one. Bring it back down, take a little rest here. Shake out the arms. Take it over to the other side, crossing the left foot over the right thigh, keeping the left foot flexed. Let's do 20 more on this side. Ten more. We got this. We are strong. 5 more. Whew. My forearms are burning. From here, we're going to finish off with some toe taps. So we're going to come onto our forearms and our elbows. Bring the feet, the knees, the legs parallel with the mat. We're simply going to tap the toes. So let's do 30 seconds of these. Keep the core engaged. Keeping the gaze up. Halfway. Five more seconds. Last one. From here, make your way onto your back. Let's all take a nice little Shavasana. Breathe in here. Great job. 2 weeks officially in the books. So you can stay here for as long as you like. Or if not, we'll rock up into a nice seated position. Bring your hands together at your heart or your third eye. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 15. Great job, everyone. Namaste.